This is your girl Chandra on Self Motivation Talk. We got a good one for you this beautiful morning. It's still the morning time. And get y'all stuff what you need. I got me a coffee from the bank because I had to go to the bank. Get what y'all need, okay? Let's make it. It's Self Motivation Talk. Chandra, let's go. Keep making noise because that was your word of the day, okay? Today, keep making noise. Keep making noise. Keep putting them videos out. You're going to have haters. And if you don't have haters and naysayers, you ain't popping. So you're going to have haters. You're going to have people that think they know what you're doing or think that you should do it this and that way. Fuck them. I said what I said. Okay? Making noise. That was your word of the day, y'all. Making noise. Y'all better keep making noise. Y'all going to have people that want y'all to shut the hell up. And I'm going to need for you. Tell them, get the hell out of my face. Go on. Bye. See how simple that was, y'all? Bye.